Hi, my name is Mishika and I'm in first grade and my teacher's name is Miss Ford. For my GT project, I combined art and science together. So for this one's name is called The Landscape. I used screws and little bolts and this big magnet to create the landscape. First, I had to get some paint. I had to outline with a pencil, then get some paint and these screws, and then put the screws on the paint, and then put the big magnet under the canvas, and then move the big magnet as how I want it to be. And then that's how I created this whole thing. To make the sun rays, I used a matchstick to make the lines. And now this one, and I used magnetic force to make this picture. Magnetic force is something that magnets attract to each other, and then it moves when you move the under magnet. The top magnets move because they both attract to each other. And this one's name is the rainbow. For the rainbow, I use gravitational force, and the steps I use for this one is, first I got out the canvas, then I sprayed the rainbow paints in rainbow order. Then I put water on the rainbow paints, then tilted the canvas down, and the paint came downward due to our gravitational force. And for this one, I used a Sharpie. For this one's name is called the leopard print. I used a straw and wind force to create this art. So the steps I did to make this are, first I got out the canvas, then I spilled orange paint, tiny dots of orange paint, then used a straw to blow the orange paint wider, and then I got out a matchstick and dipped it in the black paint, then put it inside the orange dots, all of them, then used my straw to blow the black dots a teeny tiny bit, then I used a Sharpie to write Malala. And magnetic force, I already explained it to you. So gravitational force is something that pulls us down from the Earth's center to the Earth's center. And if we didn't have a gravity, we would be floating in the air. So in space there's no gravity, that's why astronauts float in the air. Wind force is something that when you blow wind, everything moves. Like sometimes there's a lot of wind. Like today at the playground, there was a lot of wind, it almost carried me. So I used wind to blow it. That's how wind is used.